Hey, this is Jay Trucker 717. You guys all know I bought a nice refrigerator and had it installed in my freightliner. Paid $1,200 for the refrigerator. Well, guess what? I have a deal for you. You cannot pass this up. I feel like I got taken advantage of. Okay, let's get to it. All right, here's my nice little refrigerator. Um, Again, it's there's a name, Waeco refrigerator. It installs in pretty nice. You know, I know a lot of people will run to Walmart or Kmart and buy the little cheap refrigerators and strap them to the seat and all kind of crap. You don't have to do that. You can get them professionally installed. The nice thing about it is this nice little latch. You don't have to worry about it popping over. It's real nice and out of the way. Well, I even got a better deal for you. Okay, you see how nice and installed this refrigerator is. It was a Waeco refrigerator. Let me show you this. We're gonna walk outside. It's gonna take a while to walk into the store, but I gotta show you this. Again, I'm walking into the Petro in Missouri, Oak Grove, Missouri. And you can see the little sign there. Oak Grove Truck Store, Petro. Voila. There it is. There's the boxes up there. And it's a focus, right? Look at there. Show you the inside a little bit. It's all right. Okay, this is Jay. I just when it came outside the Petro. I just wanted to show you that and show you the price. You can get that Frigidaire for $600 cheaper than what I paid for. That is quite a deal. And if you got a little ingenuity, for $600 I can install that refrigerator myself. Matter of fact, I think the little power cord already has a connection already in the Freightliner. You just plug it up. So I don't think you have to do any wiring for as that concerned. And I'm sure that thing fits in there pretty easy because the guy put it in and he put it in pretty quick. I paid $1,200. I paid $1,000 for the refrigerator, $200 to install it. You can get one at a Petro for $646 and install it yourself. What a savings. So I just had to show you guys that on the video. Yeah, I feel like I've been robbed. This is Jay Trucker 717. Peace. I'm out of here. I got freight to move.